Welcome to this tutorial on how to list your property on Vrbo. Vrbo is a popular vacation rental platform that allows homeowners to rent out their properties to travelers. To get started, go to the Vrbo website and click on the List Your Property button. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the property listing page where you can enter the details of your property. Start by entering the location of your property, including the city, state, and zip code. Next, select the type of property you are listing, such as a house, condo, or apartment. You will also need to enter the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, as well as the maximum number of guests that can stay in your property. Add high-quality photos of your property, including the exterior, interior, and any notable features such as a pool or hot tub. You should also write a detailed description of your property, including its amenities and any rules or regulations that guests need to follow. Set your nightly rate and any additional fees, such as a cleaning fee or pet fee. You can also set your availability calendar and choose your booking settings, such as whether you require a minimum stay or allow instant booking. Once you have completed all the required fields, click the Submit button to publish your listing. Your property will then be live on the Vrbo website and available for travelers to book. To maximize your bookings, make sure to optimize your listing with relevant keywords, such as the location and type of property. You should also respond promptly to any inquiries or booking requests from potential guests. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a successful Vrbo listing and start earning rental income from your property. Remember to always follow Vrbo's guidelines and policies to ensure a positive experience for both you and your guests.